Coverage right now. Chandler Lutz is watching road conditions. Josh Sanders is in Philadelphia. Ryan Hughes is talking with road crews in Camden County. But let's start with our next weather team. Meteorologist Tammie, Souza, and Andrew Kozak. Tammie, let's start off with you. It's really coming down right now.
It is, depending on where you live, and in the city it certainly is. Outside of our sky deck, look at the city, Center City. That snow is coming down at a good clip, and it's actually piling up. We have nearly 2.5 inches on our sky deck out there so far. Italian Market, they've been through plowing several times, but you can see that the roads are a mess. It's coming down there. Down the shore in Cape May, you're starting to pick up again. You had a little bit of a lull, but the sand does have snow out there, and just a light snow falling in the Lehigh Valley, Bethlehem. You're probably going to see the least totals, you and up into the Poconos. Right now we have this very dark color shaded bluish purple. That is a band of very moderate snow. That's what you were seeing coming down quite heavily. The heaviest now is generally Gloucester County, Salem County, parts of Cumberland County, and into northern Delaware, north central Delaware. A little bit of Philadelphia included in that, but all of the I-95 corridor is impacted right now as this band starts to move off to the south and the east. Again, you can see it's not as much down the shore, but definitely a dark band here from northern Delaware all the way up through Gloucester County. Now we do have that winter storm warning until 10 o'clock tonight. Everybody shaded in pink. That's pretty much the entire area. The outlying areas, that is a winter weather advisory. Lehigh Valley, Poconos, Upper Bucks, Upper Montgomery, and Cape May County. Now, this is what's going on right now. We are watching the storm system starting to intensify. We have something called an inverted trough. Basically, we have an area of low pressure that is now merging with an area of low pressure offshore. We're transferring energy. Look at the poof right here. You can see that disappearing, that snow, and now it's moving in our direction. So that's going to start to lift through the area. Now, when I come back in a couple of minutes, I'm going to walk you through what's going to happen. You'll know when that snow is going to shut down. And of course, we're going to talk about snow totals. And Andrew, you've got the latest on all of that right now.
Yeah, Tammie, we are adjusting this just a little bit, especially it was good that you mentioned that we had that area of low pressure strengthening. That's also going to help to bring some of that moisture in, even off the water. So we're talking, when all is said and done, 4 to 6 inches. And a lot of this is going to be for central and southern New Jersey. On the Philadelphia area, we're kind of on that line between the 2 to 4 to the north and the west, and then 4 to 6 just to our south and our east. Right now, we already have a little over 2 inches, close to 2.5 across portions of the city. Just went on the sky deck. If you're along the Jersey Shore, we're going to have a little bit less, especially down toward the Wildwood area, Cape May 1 to 2, Allentown, Reading, over toward Lancaster, about a solid 2 to 4. This is when all is said and done, and we shut it off later on tonight. This is a very dry snow. Notice the temperatures have been so cold, and that means the ratio of water to the snow there is about 15 to 1. That means 1 inch of water would give us 15 inches of snow. But right now we have a little less than a third of water with everything coming in with this storm, and that's why we'll have those several inches of snow. Tomorrow, even though it won't be snowing, you're going to see that snow blowing around because those winds are going to be kicking up and those temperatures are going to drop. Look at today. It's cold enough for sure. Average high closer to 40. We're going to be in the 20s all the way through the afternoon and evening. Look at Saturday, though. We'll be lucky to get above the teens in many areas Saturday, and it's not even going to feel like it. In fact, most of us will be looking at wind chills tomorrow, basically in the single digits. At least we'll have some sunshine, though. Breezy and cold in the city, the shore 26, 22 in the Lehigh Valley. Tammie is back in just a couple of minutes, and she's got a nice surprise for you with that 7-day forecast, especially next week.
Let's go ahead and take a look at some of these snow reports. They are really starting to filter in. The thing is we're telling you about these snow reports, and I'll show you some in a minute. 2.5 inches, 1.5 inches, 3 inches. It takes a while for the spotters to go out, take their measurement, come in. They transfer that. That has to come to us. So there's usually a delay. And so we're expecting these totals to go up, especially along the I-95 corridor and south and east. So that is what we're looking at. Now, the snow totals so far that have just come in, 3.5 inches in Folsom, 3 inches in Morton, Chalfont. You have 2.5 in Philadelphia and Center City, 2.4 in Thornton, and Newark coming in at 2.0. This is in Delaware, Newark, Delaware. So this is what we're looking at. Temperatures are cold enough to support all snow at this point. We're still getting this burst of snow, not so much in Lehigh Valley where you're going to see that 2 to 4 and you're going to shut down sooner than other areas. But we have this deep purple shade, and that is where we're getting this band of all of this heavier snow coming down. And now it's beginning to transfer off to the south and the the east, Gloucester County through Salem County into northern Delaware. All up and down the I-95 corridor, still steady snow coming down, but that will start sliding slowly off to the east, and then you'll just get snow throughout the afternoon, not as heavy as it's been. You can see these shades of purple now beginning to transfer off to the south and the east. Rain staying offshore, so we're not expecting a lot of mixing now down the shore. But look at this. See this little lobe right here? It was over West Virginia, and then poof, here it is. It's headed toward Maryland. It is actually an area of low pressure, and it is now beginning to merge with this area of low pressure offshore, and that's why we're getting this strong banding that is right in here. You're starting to get the moisture feeding in, and you're starting to get the lift. So here we go. Let's walk through what's going to happen. Noontime, we're looking at the most moderate snow coming down, the steadiest snow from about the I-95 corridor all the way down to the shore and across Delaware. Much less in the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. You are almost going to be done. You'll get maybe another inch, maybe 2, and that's about it. By 1 o'clock, that banding still over these areas. But look at this. By 3 o'clock now, it's just lighter snow in Philadelphia, but the heavier banding still continuing in South Jersey, which is why we're expecting to see a couple of bullseyes that could be in that 5 to 6 inch range. Then we see this shift toward the shore at 5 o'clock. We just have some spotty snow showers up and across southeastern Pennsylvania. By 7 o'clock, we're really shutting this down. And this thing by 9 o'clock is just an isolated snow shower, and it's gone. Behind that, extremely cold air comes in. So most likely 1 to 3 inches right on the shore. If we head to inland Jersey and Delaware, 4 to 6 inches, and there could be a few places that pick up that 6+. We are looking at 2 to 4 in the Poconos. That's the most likely amount. Generally, it'll be on the lighter side of that. And in Philadelphia, 3 to 5 inches. That's what we're looking at. Somebody could pick up a bit more than that. Temperature right now is 29 in Philadelphia, but look at this big pool of pink air coming in out of Canada. That's the cold lobe of air that's going to be shifting in our direction. So for tomorrow, only 24 degrees. It'll be windy though, and the wind chills will feel like 0 to 15. If you are up far north and west of the city, they'll feel like 15 below, places like the Poconos. Will be a little warmer on Sunday, still not breaking the freezing mark though, and it will be breezy and raw out there, so that 31 won't feel like 31. In fact, this is where you wake up tomorrow morning. This is your feels like temperature. Feels like 8 in Philadelphia, 8 below at Mount Pocono. We're going to head right on into the evening. It doesn't really get out of the single digits tomorrow for a feels like temperature. It is the coldest of the air. And Sunday morning, 15 below the feels like at Mount Pocono, 5 in Philadelphia, 0 in Allentown. And it doesn't really get any better than that until we get into Monday. Now, here we go with Monday, above freezing. That's not enough for us though, right? We're going to take it to 40 on Tuesday, and then we're going to be seasonable. We'll be at 43 on Wednesday, maybe some rain showers, and we're pushing right on into the 50s Thursday. What does that mean? Melting snow. That means we're going to get all that cloud cover because of all the moisture in the air, and we're probably going to have a lot of runoff, but it will be a very big change.